Sagozo.
Ah! Sagozo!
Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my toy review of the SH Figuarts Kamen Rider OOO's Sagozo. Hey, so this is Sagozo's box. So as you can see, white background, colored picture of Sagozo, black and white rings. Same type with Tatoba and the rest of the gang. His logo underneath SH Figuarts. A little bit of detail about SH Figuarts. Kamen Rider OOO's logo. Toei Bandai. Bottom, side. Now we know the spelling of Sagozo. 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 Top. On the other side and at the back, nice photos of Sagozo. 4. So these are nice poses. That's it about the box. Let's open the bit. Now that's all about the box. Let's open Sagozo. Sagozo. So these are all the accessories for Sagozo. He still has the medaljalibur. I don't know why it's still included, because they never used it before. The O scanner, still the same make and look, and 2 open hands, 2 holding hands, and surprisingly he has 2 additional holding hands for the O scanner, which is a first for everyone else. So that's it. It's all black, molded in fashion with Kamen Rider OOO's. That's it. Now let's move to the figure. So this is Sagozo. Let's do with the basics. So head, neck joint, torso articulation, shoulder pads to flipping out, rotating hand on the ball joint, double hinged elbow, hip or leg joint, but it doesn't go in 90-degree angle, double knee joint, swivel over here and on the ball joint, and there is a hinge on the toe. So that's it. Let's see the compound eyes. He does have a compound eyes. A jewel on the forehead. Nice sculpt for a rhino head. And his emblem embossed on his chest. And his gorilla arms. That's nice. That's really nice. And the thing I like about Sagozo is the elephant feet. It's a nice mix of the whole thing, but unlike what other toy reviewers would not show you is the back. You can see the hinges at the back, but it's hidden in front because of the elephant legs. Nice gray paint apps on this figure. So also it's also mentioned that you can take out the arm guards as so you can see the whole arm, and you can see how the whole thing moves from this angle. Swivel on the hand, and you can see the joints already. With this, there's a huge difference when it comes to articulation and flexibility, while this one is very limited because of the arm guards or the gorilla arms. So that's it. Although I do like the sculpt for the legs, that's the best part of Sagozo. Is still a likable figure, but if you can still wait for a price down on, or a discounted price for Sagozo, why not take him and the rest of the Kamen Rider O's combo series, completed combo series. Nice figure, nice articulation, and nothing is loose. There's no part that is loose. Very, very well made. Congrats! Congrats! Oh, I didn't show you the belt. Clear plastic, but you cannot actually see the difference between medals, because there's no clear view on the difference when it comes to the colors. Well, it should be. I do have the DX medals. It doesn't look the same. Medal holder on the side and the O scanner holder on the other side. So that's it. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my Facebook, Twitter, and Blogspot for the written review. You may also check out Riders, Rangers, and Rambles, and do visit Ramboards. It's the official forum for Team RRR. So this is Firestarter. Thank you, and until my next review.